How to make your hair grow longer. It takes time and effort to grow long, healthy hair. While you may encourage new growth by massaging your scalp and taking biotin, the bigger difficulty is preventing damage and breakage to your existing hair. Trimming your hair on a regular basis, using the proper hair products, and avoiding harsh treatments and styles can all help to maintain your hair healthily. It's also crucial to make lifestyle adjustments, such as consuming a hair-friendly diet. It will take time and effort, but you may get the long, luscious locks of your dreams with a little determination. Number 1. Massage your scalp daily. The foundation of healthy hair is the scalp. 5 minutes of daily scalp massage can help promote blood flow to your hair follicles. This, in turn, promotes the growth of new hair. You can massage your scalp while shampooing in the shower or anytime you have a few minutes to spare. Massage your scalp with the pads of your fingers rather than your fingernails. If you rub your skin too forcefully, your nails may irritate and break it. Number 2. Apply peppermint oil on scalp daily. When applied directly to the scalp, peppermint essential oil can help encourage hair growth. Apply a few drops to your scalp and massage them with your fingers' pads. To encourage new growth, repeat this practice at least once a day for at least 4 weeks. Use a few drops of pure peppermint essential oil blended with 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters, coconut oil for the greatest results. Use peppermint scented oil instead. Although scented oils have a peppermint scent, they will not have the same stimulating impact. Number 3. Use hair development products. Some shampoos and conditioners are designed to help you obtain long hair by encouraging hair growth. Look for a shampoo that says it's designed to promote hair development and has substances such as Biotin /S minoxidil /S niacin. Tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. Number 4. Take biotin supplement daily. Take a daily biotin supplement of 5,000 micrograms. Biotin, often known as vitamin B7, is a necessary B vitamin. It's been used to promote new hair development for a long time, and it's often the main element in other hair supplements. To assist your hair to grow long and thick, take a supplement containing at least 5,000 micrograms per day. Most pharmacies and health food stores sell biotin supplements over the counter. Biotin containing hair, skin, and nail vitamins are also available. Biotin can also be applied to the skin as a topical therapy. If you decide to use topical biotin, make sure to follow the instructions on the package. Number 5. Wash hair 3 to 4 times weekly. After limiting the amount of shampoo and conditioner they use, some people have reported having longer hair. Wash your hair every 2 to 3 days. Wear a shower cap and use dry shampoo on no-wash days to help keep oil under control. You may need to wash your hair more regularly if it tangles easily. Using conditioner every day or every other day can help keep knots from causing breaking. Number 6. Trim hair after 8 to 12 weeks. Damage to your hair frequently begins at the ends and progresses to the roots. Trimming your hair on a regular basis prevents damage and removes split ends, maintaining your locks for the long haul. To keep the damage from spreading, visit your hairdresser every 2 to 3 months and request that they trim no more than 0.5 in, 13 mm, from your ends. If your hair is damaged due to an accident with a hot instrument or a chemical treatment, contact your stylist right once. If you don't have the time or money to go to a salon on a regular basis, you might consider trimming your own hair. If you decide to do this, invest in a nice pair of hair shears. They have a significant impact. Number 7. Apply deep conditioning mask once a week. Deep conditioning treatments can help keep tangles at bay and protect your strands. Look for a hair mask that has been specially designed for your hair type, for example, thick, thin, curly, dry, color treated, etc. If you're not sure what will work for you, ask your stylist for help choosing the proper product. After shampooing, apply the mask to your hair and keep it on for the time specified on the package. Some masks take 3 to 5 minutes to apply, while others take 10 to 15 minutes. Then, in the shower, rinse your mask off. Hair masks are available at most cosmetics and beauty supply stores, as well as pharmacies and medicine stores. Number 8. Use hot styling tools sparingly. From the cuticle to the tip, heat damages your hair. As a result, it's better to remain as far away from hot tools as possible. Blow dryers, flat irons, curling irons, hot brushes, crimpers, and hot rollers are all examples. If you have to blow dry your hair, do so on a low setting and focus on the ends. If you absolutely must use a hot tool on your hair, apply a thermal spray. Before using the hot tool, hold the spray arm's length away from your head and wet your hair. Number 9. Use a microfiber towel. On wet hair, avoid terry cloth and instead use a microfiber towel. Wet hair can be damaged by some materials, such as terry cloth. When drying your hair, avoid using terry cloth towels. Instead, let it air dry as much as possible. Using a microfiber towel to absorb excess water from the shower is a good idea. Never wrap it around your head and leave it there. Instead, squeeze out the excess water gently. Number 10. Loose hairstyles. Loose hairstyles, such as low ponytails or sloppy buns, are ideal. Many hairstyles and looks are damaging to your scalp and strands. Breakage is exacerbated by styles that pull your hair tight, such as high or slick ponytails and some types of braids. Wear your hair down or in loose fashions like low ponytails and sloppy buns as much as possible to avoid damage. Avoid styles that cause a lot of stress around your head's edges and the nape of your neck. Extensions may appear attractive at the time, but after you remove them, your hair may suffer. To lessen the risk of damaging your hair, try to avoid these styles whenever feasible or use clip-in hair extensions. Number 11. Sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. To avoid hair damage, sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase. Cotton is said to be harsher on your hair than silk and satin. These materials may aid in the prevention of tangles, which can lead to breakage. To maintain your hair long and lustrous, invest in a few beautiful silk or satin pillowcases. Silk pillowcases are reasonably priced and can be found in many home goods stores as well as online. Satin is a less expensive alternative to silk. Number 12. Eat a hair-friendly diet. To promote hair development, eat a hair-friendly diet. You should properly nourish your hair and drink plenty of water to get the most out of it. Make protein a priority in your diet. Lean proteins should account for 15% to 25% of your daily calorie intake. In addition, eat a lot of leafy green veggies and drink enough water. Number 13. Consult your doctor. If you experience hair loss, consult your doctor. You may have a medical problem if your hair growth is markedly delayed or if you have any hair loss. Schedule an appointment with your doctor to discuss your symptoms and any diagnostic testing that may be necessary. Health and hair growth can also be influenced by genetics or family history. When a woman's androgen levels are high, she is more prone to hair loss. Polycystic ovarian syndrome, for example, is a common cause of this.
To get latest videos, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. Don't forget to share with your friends and family.